This video is sponsored by Sophos Home. One of the biggest flaws with Apple's latest over-ear headphones, the AirPods Max, is no doubt the smart case. This case is not the best, both visually but also in terms of protection for your headphones. There are a lot of exposed areas that leave your headphones susceptible to scratches or other damage. Not ideal for a product that costs over $500. San Francisco-based company WaterField Designs has actually come out with one of the more intriguing solutions, an actual carrying case that zips up, like the ones that other over-ear headphones come with. This case will give consumers the peace of mind knowing that whenever you decide to travel around with your AirPods Max, they are indeed protected inside of this very large leather case. Yes, this thing is massive, and it's largely due to the fact that AirPods Max don't actually fold up, so WaterField Designs really had no choice here. In fact, it's so big that you can put your AirPods Max in its original smart case and then place it inside this case for maximum protection, although it's probably a little overkill. The case is made up of mostly leather on the outside, and then there's this cashmere-like feeling, soft fur, memory foam, whatever it is. It's on the inside and it feels really nice. The case does come in a few different color options, though I personally think this chocolate leather option is by far the best one available. You'll also notice a few different compartments if you want to carry some cables or other small items with your headphones. The front has a zippered compartment that's surprisingly deep, at least enough to fit a few cables or notes or whatever. It's also padded with that same fur material that's found on the inside. On the back, you have a mesh compartment as well as one tiny little compartment on the inside that's held together by this Velcro strap. You might have also noticed this magnetic buckle here at the bottom. This is what WaterField is calling its magnetic leather butterfly that's designed to do two things: separate the headphones so that they don't actually touch each other or potentially scratch and dent the metal ear cups, and perhaps most importantly, it helps put your AirPods Max into low power mode. So you don't actually have to worry about placing your headphones in this case and then potentially losing battery due to it not going into low power mode as if you would put it into its smart case, because it actually mimics the same magnetic positioning as your smart case that triggers the low power mode. But that really sums up what this case can do, and that's really all we need it to do. It provides protection all around, it's large and spacious, and it's made up from premium high-end materials. Now that last part does come at a bit of a price of $99, which is understandably not cheap, but as of right now, this appears to be one of the better third-party case options out on the market for your AirPods Max, and one that I've only seen that actually puts the AirPods Max into low power mode, just like your smart case. It's very well constructed, and again, it provides that peace of mind knowing that when you place your headphones inside of this case, it's not only protected, but in fact in that low power mode. But I would love to know your thoughts on this case for your AirPods Max in the comments section down below. Before we end today's video, I do want to give you more information about today's sponsor, Sophos Home. Sophos Home is security and privacy built for an entire family, regardless if they're Mac or PC users. It utilizes the same award-winning security features that keep Fortune 500 companies safe, stopping malware, ransomware, hacking exploits, and much more. Sophos Home also protects what you do online, keeping web-based banking and shopping safe and secure, protecting webcams, microphones, and even what you type. Sophos Home secures your privacy, and to make all this protection simple, Sophos Home allows you to manage security on up to 10 computers located anywhere in the world via the cloud. It's the best way to digitally protect your family or even your neighbors. And to learn more about Sophos Home, please click the link in the description down below.